So I'm putting a new 7-blade connector on the back end of my truck. Right there is where the old one sat, but you can tell how that's all bent up, and some of the wiring under here just kind of been mucked up a little bit here and there over time, so it just wasn't working. And I'm going to show you right here why you should always take these things apart and inspect them. Look at that. They're old, they're rusty, they're falling apart. They're not even connected. I mean, look at that. That's just awful. This thing clearly needed replaced. And that's why I've got this nice new one. All right. That's why I'm doing this. And this thing is clearly a big mess here. A big mess of wires. And I hear the roosters back here. They've been fussing at me because they're not used to me being out here. And thing's just full of dirt and rust. Who knows how long this thing's been on here. But look at it, it's all rusty. You know, you can see how those screws are on there. But these other ones have rusted all the way through and are not even connected anymore. So that's definitely a problem. That right there would keep your electric for your lights, your turn signals, your brakes, everything for your camper, your trailer, your boat, whatever you're pulling, right? That right there would be an absolute hazard and could cause not only malfunction, it's already malfunctioned, but could clearly cause roosters. But anyway, it could clearly cause malfunction of your brakes, your turning signals, which means you would be not properly providing others on the road clear signal of where you intend to go or what you intend to do. And your brakes would malfunction. Yep, that right there is a hazard, a road hazard, I guess you could say. So that's why I went and bought a nice new one. And anyway, that's the one I got. And it came in this package here. Yeah, this thing clearly can't get it out. But anyway, I took those screws loose on the side. I got to get that inside part out, kind of like that one's out, and be able to, you know, clean up those wires, clip those ends. Anyway, just totally rebuild it. Two roosters right here, keeping a good eye on me. And another one back there watching me, and then one over here in front of the truck watching me. 5 roosters out here. Look at him, peeking at me. Hey, chickies. What are you fussing about? What are you fussing about? Huh? You come over here and mess with me, and I'm gonna have chicken dinner. You know that, right? Yeah. I named that one Rotisserie. That one on the right there. That's a younger rooster on the right. Yeah. Anyway. Anyway, I just figured I'd make a video and show you what I'm doing and why, and how this right here is a reason why you should always check your 7-way or 7-blade connector on the back of your vehicle before you ever tow anything anywhere. Gotta make sure this thing's... Shut up, God. Gotta make sure this thing... Gotta make sure this thing's functional and not old and worn out. So I'm gonna be crawling under here and looking at all my wiring. All right, Rooster, Mr. Rooster. There's another rooster right there. Oh, there's another one right there. We've got 5 roosters. They're all out here keeping a good eye on me. All right. So I got my toolbox here, and all right. So I'm gonna get busy. I just wanted to show y'all why I was doing what I'm doing, and kind of give everybody a warning to, if your 7-blade, 7-blade, whatever you want to call it, connector has been on your vehicle for a very, very long time, you might want to take it apart and look at it just to see if yours is corroded and falling apart. All right, talk to you later.